I'm going to show you how to hide a section on Squarespace. If you're looking to clean up your site or temporarily remove content without deleting it, this is the perfect solution. Let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace account. On the homepage, click Log In. If you'd like a faster option, choose. Continue with Google and select the account connected to your website. Once you're in, you'll see your list of sites. Click on the site where you want to hide a section. From your dashboard, head over to Pages. This is where your site's structure is managed. Now, to actually hide a section, we'll use Custom CSS. In the left-hand menu, scroll down to Website Tools and click Custom CSS. Here's where the magic happens. To target the section you want to hide, you'll need its section ID. To find this, right-click on the section in your live site, choose Inspect, and copy the section's ID from the developer tools. Once you have it, type this code into the CSS editor, #section, ID open, curly, brace display colon, none, semicolon, close curly brace. Replace section ID with the actual ID you copied. After entering the code, click Save to apply the change. The section will now be hidden from visitors, but it's still there in the background, meaning you can easily bring it back later by removing or commenting out the CSS. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a section on Squarespace without deleting it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.